Hello friends, I am Dr. Rashmi Chahar Khandelwal. I am a gynecologist practicing in Agra. Today I am going to share my fitness journey since my childhood till now with all of you. So if I talk about my childhood and my teenage, I was like any other child who are not bothered about what they are eating and what is their diet and nutrition profile. But when I entered MBBS, I landed up in polycystic ovarian disease. I kept on gaining weight because I was living a very hectic life. There was 24, 48, 36 hours duties, and we had like any other hostel, we had only mess meals. And then in 2010, I delivered my baby. I was 85 kgs. I was not able to take care of my child properly because of poor stamina, poor energy. So that was the time when I thought, no, something has to be done now. This is the high time. So I started with swimming, and I started with a meal replacement shake. So today I think that was the biggest mistake in terms of dieting. Then I joined a group of my friends who used to do bodyweight exercises. I was not doing any significant weight training. I was just doing bodyweight exercises along with lots of cardio. In 2019, I came across Fitter on Facebook. So I would like to confess this, that in spite of being a doctor, there were so many myths and misconceptions about nutrition. Then I enrolled under my coach Akash Rochlani, and that was the turning point of my fitness journey. And so lockdown was there, so I was not able to go to gym. So I bought some weights and plates for home workouts. Then Akash told me about TC10. Then till the end of TC10, I ended up with losing lot of fat, and I was at the leanest phase of my life, and I was in top 50 at that time. And then came TC11. TC11 journey was wonderful because I was on maintenance calories, so I was enjoying it a lot. And I was, on the path of increasing my strength. And TC11 results, oh my God, I was second, and that's, it's a lifetime memory for me. And thank you, Fitter, for everything. So after TC11 also, I'm still under Akash Rochlani, my coach, and my journey is still going on. All are so blessed that we have such community which is providing a scientific basis to change lives in a very, very healthy and normal way. So keep grinding. All the best. Thank you.